stop. Close your eyes. Now try to remember what you had for breakfast 3 days ago. Can't do it? That foggy, sluggish feeling when your brain just won't cooperate? That's not normal. That's not aging. And it's definitely not permanent. What I'm about to show you will completely change how you think about mental clarity. You'll discover why your morning coffee is actually making brain fog worse, the hidden inflammation that's hijacking your focus, and the one simple change that MIT researchers say can restore razor-sharp thinking in just 2 weeks. But first, let me ask you something that's going to blow your mind. What if brain fog isn't happening in your head at all? The gut-brain conspiracy. Your brain doesn't exist in isolation. It's connected to every system in your body through a vast network scientists are just beginning to understand. And the biggest connection? Your gut. Right now, bacteria in your intestines are producing chemicals that directly affect your mood, focus, and mental clarity. When those bacteria are out of balance, they leak inflammatory toxins into your bloodstream. These toxins travel straight to your brain and literally fog up your thinking. This isn't some alternative medicine theory. This is cutting-edge neuroscience, and it explains why you can sleep 8 hours and still wake up mentally exhausted. The real enemy: neuroinflammation. Brain fog isn't a lack of willpower or intelligence. It's inflammation inside your brain. Think of your neurons like electrical wires. They're wrapped in insulation called myelin that keeps signals moving fast and clear. When inflammation hits, that insulation gets damaged. Suddenly, thoughts that should be lightning quick start stuttering and glitching. Your brain's immune cells, called microglia, are supposed to protect you. But when they're constantly activated by poor diet, stress, and toxins, they become the problem. They start attacking healthy brain tissue, creating a fog that willpower alone can never clear. Why coffee makes it worse? Every morning, millions of people reach for coffee to cut through the fog. But here's what they don't know. Caffeine doesn't solve brain fog. It borrows clarity from tomorrow. Caffeine works by blocking adenosine, the chemical that makes you feel tired. But when caffeine wears off, adenosine floods back with a vengeance. You crash harder than before. Worse, chronic caffeine use actually reduces your brain's dopamine receptors by 30%. That means you need more stimulation to feel normal, creating a cycle of dependency and deeper fatigue. The solution isn't more coffee. It's addressing the root cause. The 3 brain killers. If you want to eliminate brain fog forever, you need to understand the 3 hidden triggers that keep your brain inflamed. Killer 1: sugar spikes. Every time you eat sugar, your brain gets flooded with glucose. Too much too fast triggers inflammation that can last for hours. Your neurons literally can't process the overload. Killer 2: processed oil seed. Oils in packaged foods create toxic byproducts that cross into your brain and damage cell membranes. Your neurons become leaky and inefficient. Killer 3: sleep disruption. During deep sleep, your brain activates a cleaning system called the glymphatic system. It washes out toxins and metabolic waste. Miss deep sleep, and those toxins accumulate, creating fog that builds day after day. The Clarity Protocol. Here's how to eliminate brain fog permanently. It's simpler than you think. Step 1. Starve the inflammation. Cut sugar, processed foods, and seed oils for 2 weeks. I know it sounds extreme, but inflammation needs fuel. Stop feeding it. Step 2. Feed your brain. Start your day with protein and healthy fats. Add foods rich in omega-3 second and polyphenols. Wild salmon, blueberries, dark chocolate. These compounds cross into your brain and actively reduce inflammation. Step 3. Fix your sleep. Create a cave. Dark, cool, quiet. Take magnesium glycinate 30 minutes before bed. Your brain does its most important repair work while you sleep. Optimize it, and you'll wake up clearer than you have in years. That's it. 3 changes. 2 weeks. The difference will shock you. The 14-day transformation. MIT researchers tracked people who followed this protocol. Within 14 days, brain scans showed measurable reductions in neuroinflammation. Participants reported 60% improvement in focus, 45% better memory, and energy levels they hadn't felt in years. But here's what really happened. They didn't just treat symptoms. They healed their brain's ability to function at its peak. The compound effect. Once you eliminate brain fog, everything changes. Your focus improves, your creativity explodes, your confidence soars. But the real magic happens over time. A clear brain makes better decisions. Better decisions create better habits. Better habits compound into a completely different life. This isn't just about feeling sharper. It's about becoming the person you've always known you could be. 5. Your brain's hidden potential. Your brain contains 86 billion neurons, each capable of forming thousands of connections. That's more possible combinations than there are atoms in the observable universe. But inflammation acts like static, interfering with those connections. Clear the static, and you unlock processing power you forgot you had. The fog isn't permanent. It's not your new normal. It's a signal that your brain is fighting something and losing. Stop fighting. Start healing. Community challenge. Here's what I want you to do right now. In the comments, tell me your brain fog story. What time of day hits you hardest? What's the weirdest thing you've forgotten recently? I'm reading every comment, and I guarantee you'll find others dealing with the exact same struggles. Sometimes, just knowing you're not alone is the first step to healing. And here's the deal, if this video helps clear your brain fog in the next 2 weeks, come back and update us. The Edge Genesis community needs to hear your transformation story.